safe. Abubakr, are you ready? Ready?
Safe,
Fight.
Khaled. Sharjah self-defense.
Versus Abubakr Davlatov.
Stop.
From
Stop.
Sibirski bars.
Sibirski, probably from
down.
Russia.
Outside, wait.
Hard to say.
Wait.
Let me check here. We have right now Siev versus Abubakr.
So the referee give 2 points plus 3 points for the pass. Now Abubakr trying to put knee on the belly, sliding his knee, go to the mount.
Abubakr Davtalov is from Tajikistan. Siev Khaled Al-Ali.
He's already in the mount.
Is from the United Arab Emirates. UAE versus Tajikistan.
Stop.
Submission for Abubakr.
Shake your hands.
And you can see Abubakr on the mount position, going straight to the arm bar,
Beautiful.
tight, right on the shoulder, hip on the shoulder, making it
Turning very
tight.
fast.
He turns very fast, and with his hip very low, it makes it very hard for the athlete from Sharjah to escape it.
Just gave no chance for his opponent. And Pirepak. Pirepak goes straight to pull guard.
You see Pirepak always doing an aggressive guard game.
But we have seen today Abubakr Davlatov fighting today.
And looks like he came for the victory. We see a Pirepak trying to get his opponent on his guard.
Dive.
Abubakr goes for the guard pass, jumping over, flying over. He went way far from Pirepak. A strong guard passing game by Abubakr Davlatov. Abubakr, who tries to place himself on the side control, stabilizing the position.
He's going to attack the arm. Knee.
He's gonna try to escape from
Wow, he changed the side. He set his leg free.
But Pirepak is very...
Oh, tap.
Stop.
Tap. Shoulder lock.
There we go, have a tap.
Okay, very good.
Pirepak does not resist
In the hand.
to the submission
Okay, shake our hands.
execution from
Good fight, guys.
Abubakr. See the replay, how Abubakr jumps out of the half guard and goes to the side control. You can see how he manages on the second attempt to get to the side control from Pirepak, and then he goes straight to the Kimura. Seeing Pirepak tapping, allowing Abubakr to going forward to the side control from Pirepak, and then he goes straight to the Kimura. Seeing Pirepak tapping, allowing Abubakr to going forward.
باید سه بله دیگه باید ندانم رو دوازم
مونس خراشا کنترل سه بله دیگه مچیتا از خراشا کنترل میتونه کجاش داشته باشه شو سکه بخواب از سه بار باید بترشم
دارد گرگه
بخواب چون من باید بترشم شاش من با سه بله دیگه بخواب ولی وای
بالی وای که
ولی وای
الحمدلله
رحمت اکه اسماعیل ده برای دستگیرات رحمت همدان ده برای داین نکتن